Hello students, so in this lecture we will be discussing about an area which we use in everyday life. It is in our mobile phone, laptops, or any communication devices that we use. That is the Bluetooth. Now, Bluetooth was found by Ericsson, Ericsson in 1994, and before we look at the mechanism, that it can work up to 10 meters range, and it is based on radio frequency or radio waves, which is 2.4 gigahertz. That's not megahertz at 10 meters. Now, the architecture of Bluetooth, whenever we switch a Bluetooth device, it connects with another device. So, the basic architecture consists of two main technologies. One is the Piconet. Piconet is a combination of one master and several slaves through which the radio communication goes on. Like you have a master at the center, and associated with that we have several slaves. And one Piconet may get connected to another Piconet by a common slave. And there can be more than one Piconet. So all the Piconets together, it forms a scatter net. So this is the basic architecture of a Bluetooth. Now, Bluetooth also works on the principle of FHSS. You might have seen that whenever we are using a Bluetooth, we are talking on a Bluetooth, there is very less interference, there is no eavesdropping. So that is because of this technology, frequency hopping spectrum, where the frequency or the signal is divided into a lot of various subbands or various signals following a large spectrum, and the signal hops behind these small spectra, small signals. So through this technique we could avoid the interference that would have come if the signal was transmitted directly from the transmitter to the receiver. And this FHSS system also enables something called CDMA, which I am sure that you have all already heard about the CDMA technology, and at least you have heard the abbreviation CDMA. The CDMA stands for Code Division Multiple Access. It is actually a process of multiplexing. Multiplexing means that there are several transmissions or several transmitting zones and can be transmitted through a single channel. Like here you can see that there are several transmitting zones which are being transmitted through a single channel and received and then again transmitted to several other receivers. So there are more than number of transmitters and there are n number of receivers. So the communication between them can be like that. They are using a single channel to get the information from all the transmitters, transmitting it and receiving it, and then again decoding it to the receivers. This is also one of the ways by which an efficient transmission takes place. This is the basic architecture of Bluetooth. There is much more complication. This is the long and the short of it, the Bluetooth device.